Don't play with the dog.
Assalamu-Alekum everyone. Now hope everyone's alright. So the plan for today is we're going to Manchester for our lunch. Paul's gonna be with me.
Hi.
We're gonna have a bit of look around and we're just gonna explore a bit of Wilmslow Road. So stay with us. We're heading towards Saddleworth Moor. One of the historic stories a big cat prowling the moors have circulated locally for years. It's an unusual animal who kidnapped a woman and kept the woman in its cave. I don't know if it's true or not, but now there is a Upper Mill pub which has become a hotspot for sighting of the beast believed to be a North American bobcat. And we look like stuck in a traffic, and this traffic is around the long side. Usually traffic is okay, and even on a Saturday it could be the time is 1:07, so I say in the afternoon, Saturday afternoon, if I would say. Probably a lot of people are out and about doing their weekly, monthly shopping or weekend shopping. This is the market I was talking about. Could have go in this market. Maybe we need to come some other time and explore this market properly. So this is a long side. Very busy long side market. ओके जी, विंसलो रोड जो है वो हमने गाड़ी पार्क कर दी है and we're just gonna do a bit of stroll. We'll take the opportunity. Oh, don't mind you, did I just do it? विम्सलो रोड पर आपको बहुत सारी जो है वो गोल्ड की शॉप्स मिलेंगी. Wilmslow Road is a very well known and busy point, mainly known for shisha bars and food. The area is very diverse and you will find different nationality, mainly from Middle East, Africa and South Asia. What is that? Manchester Superstore. Oh, it's a big massive store. Pasha's here. Yeah. That's the famous one from Bradford. Yeah, there, the shisha on there. Yeah, I think the Pasha, they try to open at the end of the road now. Remember when we went in there?
Yeah, said it was a food court, but
Turkish food, live sport, 007 lounge. So that could be very misleading when they say the 007 lounge. So what idea do you get? I get the idea they've got some kind of a setup which gives some vibes from the 007 films, maybe some posters, maybe some movie playing.
yeah.
Sometimes you're overwhelming, you don't know where to look. This side, this side. Al Jazeera mini market. Well, I heard about the Al Jazeera TV channel. Yeah, they're just using the name, aren't they? Correct, Chai? I remember coming in there once. Yeah. Look at that. More gold. Sorry. You are.
Wasn't bad before.
Maybe it was. Maybe it was.
Right, it's not big.
He's inviting us. Hello. So on this side, it's more Middle Eastern cuisines. Wilmslow Road in central Russia boasts at least 50 restaurants, takeaways and kebab houses specializing in the cuisines of South Asia and the Middle East. The Curry Mile is a nickname for the part of the Wilmslow Road. The name is earned from the large number of restaurants, takeaways and kebab house specializing in the cuisines of South Asia and the Middle East, thought to be the largest concentration of South Asian restaurants in the United Kingdom. The Curry Mile is notable for its streets being busy into the early hours of the morning. The area is frequently visited by local students because of its location near the Oxford Road and Fallowfield campuses of the University of Manchester, Xaverian College and the Oxford Road All Saints campus of the Manchester Metropolitan University.
Right place to be a pro.
Depends what cuisine you want to try. Okay. You tried that cuisine, the Iranian one. No, that was quite nice. Quite liked it.
What's that?
It was right at the end of the road.
Okay, yeah, let's go there.
It's right at the end of the road, I guess. So now down there. Yeah. I mean, unless you want to try something else, I was just only saying.
Right. Okay. But feel comfy.
That's a very small pasha, isn't it? This is bakery. Oh yeah. I have table for two, please. Did we say Kobida?
That's right.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
That's me. Thank you so
For
much.
you as well. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Do you need anything else?
No, we'll be alright at the minute, thank you. Oh, it's nice today. Okay, ji, let's start then. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much.
Very nice. Anything else? No, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers. I'm going to try some cheese.